Elcom offers an extensive line of RJ45 couplers to address many connectivity applications. Here's a quick overview of some of those couplers. We stock Category 3, 5E, 6, and 6A RJ45 couplers, and they are all engineered to bring high performance in a compact design. For applications involving EMI and RFI, Elcom offers a complete shielded RJ45 coupler solution. Additionally, we offer an ECF flange to allow mounting keystone couplers into panels that have a thickness greater than 0.062 inches. And our unique offset design RJ45 couplers in shielded and unshielded styles can be installed into typical panel and wall plate openings. Elcom also offers shielded and unshielded right-angle RJ45 couplers for tight fit space applications. No matter what your application requirements, Elcom has the right RJ45 coupler for the job. These are just some of Elcom's many off-the-shelf RJ45 couplers that are in stock, and we can custom build RJ45 couplers to your exact specifications, so please contact us today.